ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 19 और इन कैलाश आश्रम बुक पेज नंबर 38 इन टीका ननु अहम इच्छामि अहम जानामि इत्यादि अनुभवस्य कामादेरात्मधर्मत्वेन अवगाहमानस्य विरोधात् तेषाम् अंतःकरणधर्मत्वं नोपपद्यते। श्रुतिस्तु आयुर्वैघृतम् इतिवत् हेतौ उपचरितार्था इति शंकते। सिद्धांति said kama, sankalpa, etc. they are manodharma, antakarana dharma. And Siddhanti gave the quotation kama, sankalpa, vichikitsa, shraddha, ashraddha, dhriti, adritri, hi, dhrihi, bhihi, ityetat sarvam mana eva. And also this mind is not nitya, this mind has utpatti, tan mano akuruta or asrujata, and mundaka shruti we saw. Now Purvapakshi is saying that quotation is for something else. Because what is our anubhava? Aham ichchami, aham janami, ityadi anubhavasya. Such experience we have. I am desiring something, I am knowing something, etc. So kamana, ichcha, jnanam, they are in me, in Atma. Ityadi anubhavasya kamadehe atmadharmatvena avagahamanasya anubhavasya avagahamanasya. In this way you have to connect. The anubhava is recognized. Its avagahanam means it is understood as atmadharma. Atmadharmatvena avagahamanasya anubhavasya virodhat. There is a virodha with this idea that it is antakarana dharma. तेषाम अंतःकरण धर्मत्वं नोपपद्यते, तेषाम कामादीनाम अंतःकरण धर्मत्वं न उपपद्यते. But Siddhanti will say Shruti is there. Why do you say? Because it is said etat sarvam mana eva. So Shruti is there. Purvapakshi will say Shrutistu ayurvai ghritam itivat eta upacharitartha iti. Ayurvai ghritam. This quotation you have seen in Kathopanishad Bhashya. Ayuhu means lifespan. Ghritam is ghee. Samanadhikaranyam is given between Ayuhu and Ghritam. Really speaking, Ghritam is Karanam. Ayuhu is Karyam. So ghee is the cause of long lifespan. That is a real reason. But between karya and karana, they have saman artha, therefore saman adhikaranatva they have given. Ayurvai Ghritam iti. So Purvapakshi is saying, Kama, Sankalpa, all of them, they are not mind. They are arising from mind. Like Ayuhu is arising from Ghritam. Ghrita Sevanam gives life. In the same way, mind is responsible for Kama, Ichha, etc. So if mind is responsible for them, mind is not them. Ayurvai Ghritam itivat Shruti hi hetau upacharitartha. Its culmination is in the hetu. Means it is Shruti is not saying Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa, etc. They are mind. Shruti is saying Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa has mind as hetu. So according to Nayayika, Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa, they are in Atma and mind is Samvai Karana or Asamvai Karana. What is Asamvai Karana?
Atma.
Yoga.
Atma Mana Sanyoga.
Yoga.
Atma Mana Sanyoga is Asamvai Karana. So he says, therefore Mana is responsible. That is why Shruti says, Iti Shankate Nanu in Moolam. Nanu Antakaranasya Indriyataya. Nahi, previous page. Nanu Kamadehe, page 18 in this commentary. Kamadehe Antakaran Dharmatve Aham Ichhami, Aham Janami, Aham Bibhemi इत्यादि अनुभव आत्मधर्मत्वम अवगाहमानः कथम उपपद्यते कामादेहे अंतःकरण धर्मत्वे. If कामादि are अंतःकरण धर्म, then aham ichhami, aham janami, aham bibhemi, I am scared, etc. All these anubhava atmadharmatvam avagahamanah. They all have atmadharma. Atmadharmatvam avagahamanah. Katham upapadyate. How they have atmadharma. Means how are they experienced as my dharma. Atmadharmatvam avagahamana anubhava. Katham upapadyate. Ujyate. Siddhanti is going to answer. Before that, in Tika. Kamader antakarana dharmattvameva ukta vyavaharastu sukhadyakara parinami antakaranaikkya adhyasad upapadyate. Kamadehe antakarana dharmatvam. Siddhanti is going to answer in this way. Kamadehe antakarana dharmatvam eva ukta vyavaharaha. Kamadehe antakarana dharmatvam eva. Kama. Kamadi have antakarana dharmatvam alone. Means Kamadihi antakarana dharma. Kamadi are antakarana dharma. Kamadehe shashti. Antakarana dharmatvam. Not Atma dharmatvam. Then this vyavahara that I feel Ichha, Jnanam, etc. they are in me, this Ukta vyavaharastu Sukhadi Akara Parinami Antakarana Aikya Adhyasat Upapadyate. between Atma and Antakarana, there is Anyonya Adhyasa. In Antakarana, there is Sukha, Kama, Vichikitsa, Ityadi Akara. And Atma is Nirvikara, Shuddha. This Adhyasa is creating the feeling. The dharma of Antakarana is understood as my dharma because of dharmi adhyasa and dharma adhyasa. What is the difference between dharmi adhyasa and dharma adhyasa?
Dharmi adhyasa atma bhava will come to Antakarana.
Dharmi adhyasa, atma bhava comes.
Dharmi adhyasa is satta adhyasa, and whereas dharma adhyasa is guna.
And dharma adhyasa is
Guna attributes.
Dharma adhyasa is guna. That is correct. Dharmi adhyasa is not satta adhyasa. Satta adhyasa is different. Dharmi adhyasa is between two entities. So those entities are not differentiated, that there are two things. Like here, Antakarana and Atma. I don't understand they are two. They are seen as one. Then only there is Dharmi Adhyasa. Like Sphatika and Japakusuma. Between them, there is no Dharmi Adhyasa. But iron ball and fire, between them, there is Dharmi Adhyasa. Because I don't see them as two entities. I see them as one. So if I can see Atma as different, Antakarana or Ahankara as different, then I have already separated dharmis. Then I have to separate their attributes, that is dharma. In Sphatika and Japakusuma, dharmis are already two. I can see both of them separate. All I am getting confused about is the redness is actually where and where it is not. So that adhyasa is dharma adhyasa. So here the adhyasa is between Atma and Antakarana because I cannot see them too distinctly. Then there is also adhyasa between Antakarana dharma and Atma dharma. Therefore, I am not able to distinguish whether Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa belongs to Antakarana or they belong to Atma. Sukhadya akara parinami antakarana aikya adhyasad upapadyate. So what is that adhyasa? Dharma and dharmi, both. Yatha ayapindasya dagdritva abhave api. Just as ayapindaha, the iron ball, can it burn? Can iron ball burn?
No.
No. So the dagdritva is not there in it. Dagdritva abhave api. Dagdritva आश्रय वन्नी तादात्म्य अध्यासादयो दहति इति व्यवहार. सॉरी, दग्धृत्व आश्रय वन्नी तादात्म्य अध्यासाद अयो दहति इति व्यवहार. तद्वत् iti samadhate. So iron ball, pinda, does not have dagdritva. Dagdritva bhave api. Dagdritva ashraya is in one knee. Ayapinda has tadatmya with one knee. One knee has dagdritva. Therefore, because of the tadatmya adhyasa, they becoming one. Dagdritva is seen in Ayapinda, iron ball, and therefore we say Ayodahati. This vyavahara happens. Iti vyavahara tadvat. Like that, antakarana dharma is seen in Atma. So this is actually our main problem. Even after studying, when somebody says, why you have not understood your Brahma, you are studying, you are understanding. So generally what is the hetu we give? I don't have sadhan chatushtaya sampatti. That's why. But remember, sadhana chatushtaya sampatti also belongs to antakarana. So the teaching is not that you are sadhana chatushtaya sampatti or sadhana chatushtaya sampanna antakarana. Teaching is you are atma different from sadhana chatushtaya sampanna adhika antakarana. Sadhana chatushtaya sampanna antakarana and you atma are different. So ultimate teaching is where I have to separate myself from antakarana. But if somebody who does not prepare their antakarana to develop qualifications, then this knowledge, even though once in a while they may think, oh, I know, I am Atma, I am not antakarana, that knowledge will not stay. They will fly away with the emotions, the happenings of that moment, etc. They will not be able to remain sthita prajna. Their prajna will not remain. That's why sadhana chatushtaya needs to be developed. But sadhana chatushtaya sampanna antakarana, I am not. I am Brahma. So this adhyasa is there. That's why I always feel I need sadhana chatushtaya. When a person says, my antakarana is sadhana chatushtaya, so that I understand I am not antakarana. So that person is actually very clear. What is the teaching of Vedanta? Uchyate. Same example is given now. What is given in Tika is given here in Moolam. Ayaf Pindasya means it is other way. What is given in Moolam was given in Tika. Ayaf Pindasya Dagdritva Abhave Api. Dagdritva Ashraya Vanni Tadatmya Adhyasat Yatha Ayodahati iti Vyavaharas Tadha Sukhadi Akara Parinami Antakarana ऐक्य अध्यासात अहम सुखी दुखी इत्यादि व्यवहार है. So just as Ayapinda by itself does not have the dritva, ability to burn. Still, when associated with Vanni, which is the ashraya of the dritva ashraya is Vanni. The dritvasya ashraya. Tena Dagritvasya ashraya Vanni. So between Dagritva ashraya and Vanni karmadharaya. Tena tadatmya adhyasat yatha ayodahati. This kind of vyavahara happens. In the same way, antakarana has all the parinama. Sukha, dukkha, kama, sankalpa, etc. Antakarana aikya adhyasat. Aikya means I forget the distinction between Atma and Antakarana. Aham sukhi dukhi ityadi vyavahara happens. further in Tika. Nanu astu वन्नी अयः पिंडयोर उभयोरपि प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वेन तादात्म्य अध्यासात् उक्त व्यवहारः आत्मा अंतःकरणयोस्तु प्रत्यक्ष विषय तद अविषययोः तत्वाभावात् कथम उदाहृत व्यवहारः between वन्नी and अयः पिंड both of them are प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वेन तादात्म्य अध्यासात् उक्त व्यवहारो अस्तु. Let us say this व्यवहार is possible there between Vanni and Ayapinda. Tadatmya adhyasi there. Between Atma and Antakarana, how there is Tadatmya adhyasa? So Siddhanti will say, why not? He says one is Pratyaksha Vishaya, another is Pratyaksha Avishaya. Pratyaksha Vishaya tad Avishaya yoho Tattva Abhavat. Tattva Abhavat means
तादात्म्य अध्यास
Tattva. You have to give what is Tattva. Tattva means Tadatmyatva, you can say. Between them, Tadatmya Bhava is not there. So Tattva Bhavat. Katham Udahrata Vyavahara. How this Vyavahara? What is that Udahrata Vyavahara? Aham Janami, Aham Ichchami, Aham Bibhemi. How this Vyavahara is possible? Nacha Antakaranasya Pratyaksha Vishayata. So according to Purvapakshi now, Atma is Pratyaksha Vishaya. Antakarana is Pratyaksha Avishaya. Between Atma and Antakarana, he said one is Pratyaksha Vishaya, second is Pratyaksha Avishaya. So which is Pratyaksha Vishaya? He says Atma is Vishaya and Antakarana is Avishaya. This is how Nayayika think. Siddhanti will say Antakarana is Pratyaksha Vishaya. Purvapakshi says no. Nacha Antakaranasya Pratyaksha Vishayata. Antakarana is not Pratyaksha Vishaya. Why? Tasya Indriyataya Atindriyatvat Chakshuradi Indriyavat iti Shankate. It is Indriya. Antakarana is the Indriya. Tasya Indriyataya Atindriyatvat Chakshuradi Indriyavat. What is the meaning of this line? Tasya Indriyataya. Tasya means
Antakaranasya.
Antakaranasya.
Antakarana is Indriya. Because it is Indriya, what it should be? Atindriya. Is Indriya Atindriya? Is Indriya Indriya or is Indriya Atindriya?
Atindriya Swamiji.
What is meant by Atindriya?
Indriya cannot known by itself.
So as far as the own Indriya is concerned, it is Atindriya, but if other Indriyas do not.
I cannot know my own Indriya, but I can know others' Indriya.
No, Swamiji. Like the eyes cannot see itself, but the hands can feel the eyes.
Eyes can see hands.
Huh.
No. Eyes are not seeing hands. Eyes are seeing the golaka. Indriya is Atindriya. Indriya cannot be seen by Indriya. Indriya golaka can be seen. So eyes are able to see, let us say, if I am able to see my nose, for example, if I have long nose, I'm not able to see my nose actually. I am only seeing Granendriya golaka because Indriyas are part of Sukshma Sharira. Sukshma Sharira is Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. Those things you cannot see through these eyes. Indriyas are meant only to see Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. Indriyas are meant to do Vyavahara only with Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. Like if I have to lift something, my hand can lift only Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. Can I grab? No. So Vyavahara is only with Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. So Indriyas are Atindriya. My Indriyas are also Atindriya. I cannot see all my Indriyas. I cannot see, hear, taste others Indriyas. One Indriya cannot know another Indriya, nothing. Only Golakas are recognized, that's all. So, tasya antakaranasya indriyataya. Indriyatvat atindriyatvam. Because it is Indriya. So, what is Purva Pakshi's assumption? First assumption, Antakarana is Indriya. Indriya is Atindriya, that we accept. Antakarana is Indriya, that we don't accept. Indriyataya atindriyatvat. Chakshuradi Indriyavat. Chakshuradi Indriya are Atindriya. They cannot be known through other Indriya. Iti Shankate. Nanu. Nanu anta atindriyatvat. Katham aham iti pratyaksha vishayata iti. Is Indriyataya Indriya is Atindriya. Atindriya Vastu cannot have Pratyaksha Vishayata. Okay. So the Mulam Vakya said, Nanu antakaranasya indriyataya atindriyatvat katham aham iti pratyaksha vishayata iti. How it can become pratyaksha vishaya in the form of aham ichhami, aham janami, aham vidhemi, etc. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
See number 1 tippani. Anumanam is given. Antakaranam atindriyam indriyatvat चक्षुरादिवत. Purvapakshi is Anumanam. Antakarana is Atindriyam because it is Indriya. Like Chakshuradi. Chakshuradi has Indriyatvam.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. And they are Atindriya also. So in the same way, Antakarana will be Atindriya if it is accepted that Antakarana is Indriya. But Siddhanti is not going to accept that. Uchyate. Uchyate. See second number tippani there. सिद्धेन इंद्रियत्व हेतुना अंतःकरणस्य अतीन्द्रियत्वं साधनीयं न असिद्धेन. What is the hetu in the anumanam done in tippani 1?
Indriyatvam.
Indriyatvam. Antakaranasya indriyatvam. Is it siddham or not? Is antakarana indriya or not?
No.
No, Swamiji.
Not.
In antakarana is not indriya. So antakaranasya indriyatvam is not siddham. If antakaranasya indriyatvam is not siddham, in that anumanam, hetu is asiddha. That's why Tippani says, only siddhena indriyatva hetuna antakaranasya atindriyatvam sadhaniyam. Only when the hetu is already siddha, in paksha, hetu is required. In paksha, if hetu is already siddha, then you can say, because hetu is there and vyapti is already there, therefore sadhya will be there. But in paksha, if hetu itself is not there, then that hetu is asiddha as far as paksha is concerned. Then you cannot do sadhya siddhi. So he says that siddhena indriyatva hetuna antakaranasya atindriyatvam sadhaniyam na asiddhena hetuna. Indriyatva of antakaranam is asiddham. You are saying antakaranam is atindriyam because indriyatvat. Indriyatva itself we have not accepted because you have not proved yet. Atracha hetoho eva asiddhihi. Iti uttarama. So hetu itself is asiddha. Pakshe hetu abhava.
Swarupa Siddhi.
Swarupa siddhi. Mulam uchyate. Na tavad antakaranam indriyam. Iti atra manam asti. Antakaranam indriyam. Iti atra manam na asti. Antakaranam is indriya. Who said? We don't accept. टीका. अंतःकरणस्य इंद्रियत्वे प्रमाण अभावात् अतीन्द्रियत्व असिद्ध्या प्रत्यक्ष विषयता अभाव असिद्धिः इति आशयेन परिहरति. अंतःकरणस्य इंद्रियत्वे प्रमाण अभावात्. अंतःकरण is indriya in that there is no pramanam. Praman abhavat atindriyatva asiddhi. Hetu is not there, sadhya also is not there. Atindriyatva asiddhya pratyaksha vishayata abhava asiddhi. So that it will pratyaksha vishayata abhava asiddhi means antakaranam is not pratyaksha vishaya. This is what who said, Purvapakshi or Siddhanti?
Siddhanti.
Both, Swamiji.
Both of them, or one of them, or none of them.
Both.
Purva Pakshi said, Atma, see, Ayo, Golaka, and Vanni. From there, this whole thing started. Vanni and Ayapinda, they both are Pratyaksha. Atma and Antakarana, in these two, he said one is Pratyaksha, another is Apratyaksha. Which is Pratyaksha between Atma and Antakarana? According to Purvapaksha,
Atma is Pratyaksha. as
Atma
per
is
my-
Pratyaksha. Antakarana, he said, is having Pratyaksha Vishayata Abhava. So who said Antakarana has Pratyaksha Vishayata Abhava?
Purva Pakshi.
Purvapakshi. Siddhanti said, but you have not done Siddhi of that. So Pratyaksha, see the line. Pratyaksha Vishayata Abhava Asiddhi. You have not been able to prove that Antakarana does not have Pratyaksha Vishayata, or Antakarana has Pratyaksha Vishayata Abhava. Tasya Asiddhi means Antakarana is now Pratyaksha Vishaya or not, according to Siddhanti. What did you say?
Yes.
Antakarana is Pratyaksha Vishaya, according to Siddhanti. Pratyaksha Vishayatva Abhava Asiddhi. The double negative is there. Abhava Asiddhi means Pratyaksha Vishayatva is there. Pratyaksha Vishayata Abhava Asiddhi iti ashayena pariharati. Siddhanti says, Antakarana itself is not Indriya. Therefore, there is no question of Antakarana being Atindriya. Antakarana becomes Pratyaksha Vishaya. So it can become known. And Atma is Atyanta Aparoksha. But in Adhyasa Bhashya, a similar question is raised. That two things which are Pratyaksha, between them Adhyasa can happen. One which is Pratyaksha and another is Apratyaksha. How Adhyasa will happen? So Siddhanti said, Apratyaksha api hi akashe palaha tala malinatadi adhyasyanti. Akasha is Apratyaksha. But there, Adhyasa can happen. So like that, Atma is also Apratyaksha. Apratyaksha means Aparoksha. But it is not Atyanta Avishaya. And therefore, there Adhyasa is possible. This is how it is given. So we have to do Adhyasa Siddhi. So here also Adhyasa is possible. Because Adhyasa is there, therefore I can mistake Antakarana Dharma as Atma Dharma. Iti ashayana pariharati. Neti. Na. First is Uchyate. So we have already seen. What is the question?
Sorry, Swamiji, I did not understand how Antakarana is Pratyaksha Vishaya.
How Antakarana is Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha means Purvapakshi's Anumanam was is Antakarana. Purvapakshi said Antakarana is Atindriya because it is Indriya. Siddhanti is saying in that Anumanam, you are assuming Antakarana is Indriya. Mana is not Indriya. Therefore, Atindriyatva is not there. Therefore, Antakarana can be known. We are not saying Antakarana is known through Indriyas.
Om Swamiji.
But Indriya Antakarana can become known. It is Sakshi Pratyaksha. But it is Pratyaksha. Neti. न तावत् अंतःकरणम् इंद्रियम् इति अत्र मानम् अस्ति. अंतःकरणम् इंद्रियम्, in that there is no manam, no pramanam. पूर्वपक्षी से मनःषष्ठानि इंद्रियाणि. You always chant Bhagavad Gita before meals. In every Annakshatra they are chanting. And in Bhandara we have to wait after Manashasthani Indriyani and entire Panchadasha Adhyaya. Everybody gets food, then only they do Namah Parvati Pataye and then we get food. So we remember Manashasthani Indriyani. So they say, Iti Bhagavad Gita Vachanam Pramanam. Why can't you say this is Pramanam? Iti Chetna. Iti Chetna means not that Bhagavad Gita Vachanam is not Pramanam. But Mana is Shashtha Indriya. Bhagavad Gita Vachanam is not saying that in this way. See Tika first. Shashthasya Manasaha Indriyatva Pratipadakasya Bhagavad Vakyasya Parama Pramanasya Satvat Manam Nasti iti Ayuktam iti Chodayati. Shashthasya Manasaha, mind which is the sixth one. It is not said mind is sixth Indriya. Mind is the sixth one. Manaha Shashthani Indriyani Indriyatva Pratipadakasya Bhagavad Vakyasya. Purvapakshi is saying Indriyatva of Manaha Pratipadakasya Bhagavad Vakyasya Parama Pramanasya Satvat. That Parama Pramana is there. Satvat Manam Nasti. How can you say there is no Pramana? Manam Nasti iti Ayuktam iti Chodayati. Manaha iti. This Manashasthani Indriyani, where it is said, it is Pramanam iti chet, see the Mulam, na Anindriyena api manasa Shatva Sankhya Purana Avirodhat. 6 Shatva Sankhya means a group of 6. So Manaha Shasthani Indriyani means Bhagavan is saying there is a group of 6 things where mind is the 6th one. And majority are 5. If 5 are Indriya, mind is 6th one, mind also will be called 6th Indriya, but it is not Indriya. The Shatva is Sankhya Purana. So even if it is Anindriya, Anindriyena api Manasa, Shatva Sankhya Purana Avirodha. It can be the 6th one to do Sankhya Puranam. 2 examples are given here in Mulam. We can read the Mulam part, it will be easier. Nahi Indriya Gata Sankhya Puranam Indriyena Eva iti Niyama. There is no Niyama that Indriya Gata Sankhya Puranam should happen by Indriya alone. Sankhya Puranam can be done by something which is closely available. It can become one proxy. Like a king, if he is not able to go somewhere, king's attendant can go. They can do proxy like that. He gives example from Vedas, Vaidika Drishtanta. Yajamana Panchama Idam Bhakshayanti. Iti atra Ritvigata Panchatva Sankhyayaha Andritvijapi Yajmanena Purana Darshanat. Yajmana Panchama Idam Bhakshayanti. Idam is like idli. They are they are similar, some steamed white rice preparation, and all the Ritviks are fed this after some puja, some yaga, homa. So 4 Ritviks are there, and they all are given this. Who is paying for the whole function, you know? Yajamana. He is also hungry. So he also says, give me also. Will anybody say, no, no, you are not Ritvik? They will give him also. So his Yajamana is Panchama. But you cannot say there are 5 Ritviks. Even if you say 5 Ritviks, the 5th one is not. Officially, there are only 4. That is what is given here. Yajamana Panchama Idam Bhakshayanti iti atra Ritvik Gata Panchatva Sankhyayaha. The Panchatva Sankhya is in Ritvik. But that 5th one is not. He is Yajamana. So Anritvija api Yajmanena Purana Darshanat. The 5th one is Yajmana, who is Anritvik, Anritvija Yajmanena, Tritya Vibhakti. So Sankhya Puranam can happen by something which is not a real member of that group. Like he is not Ritvik, he is a Yajmana, but he is also eating. Same Ritvik food he can eat. So this is one example. Let us see this Majid Tika first. Anindriyena api manasa indriyagata shatva sankhya purana avirodhena udahrita bhagavad vachas tad vachasah tad indriyatve pramanatva abhavat maiva mityaha. Mind which is anindriya, anindriyena api manasa, indriyagata shatva sankhya, that 6 indriyas are there, shatva sankhya purana avirodhena, there is no virodha. Udahrita bhagavad vachasaha, Bhagavan has given this drishtanta, or not drishtanta, this Bhagavan's vachana. Tad indriyatve pramanatva abhavat maivam. So there is no pramanam that vakya is not saying mana is indriya. That vakya is saying mana is the 6th in that group of indriyas. But only 5 can be indriyas. Ityaha neti. So 1 number tippani, tasya manasaha indriyatve pramana bhavat ityarthaha. तथा च श्रुतेः अनुपलम्भात्. So from there we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.